Okay guys, if you have a dustless sander that uses one of these and a shop vac, you can make a really dustless sander by just putting the hose that fell off onto it. And when you turn on the shop vac, the suction holds the hose here pretty good, and you can sand away very little dust. Works wonderfully. And I should have did this when I was working on the fiberglass sanding, because this would have helped out tremendously. So, just a helpful hint. I know it's kind of redneck, but it works. And you could probably work on something here to make it hold better than what I have right now. But quick, simple, easy to do. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there, looks about like that. And if you want to leave comments, feedback, whatever, just leave it down below. Love to read it. Y'all please take care.